Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a cursor loading blinking circle in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the mice and other pointing devices and right click on our mouse driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. Select search for updated driver on Windows Update. Select the check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on your mouse driver and select uninstall device and select uninstall and uninstall the device. After that, select action tab and select a scan for hardware changes. And now you just need to restart your PC. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. You just need to select uninstall a program. If you have any third-party antivirus like McAfee antivirus software, then you just need to right click on it and select uninstall it guys. Because these antivirus takes lots of your PC resources, so that your mouse cursor is blinking and you will get a blue circle. So you just need to uninstall the third-party antivirus you have just by selecting them and select uninstall option and uninstall it. After uninstalling it, you just need to restart your PC. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select mouse and select pointer options. You just need to uncheck the box in display pointer trails. Just uncheck it and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now just to close stuff here. Method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down under app permission, select location. You just need to turn off this location service guys. After turning off, just to close stuff here. Method 6, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Method 7, you just need to go to search menu and type system configuration, click on open it. Select services tab and select checkmark hide all Microsoft services and then select disable all. And now just need to select the startup tab and select open task manager. In task manager, you just need to disable everything listed over here guys, just by selecting them and select the disable option over here, or you can right click and select disable it. After disabling everything, you just need to close stuff here and then select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.